686986. I don't know. B. Okay. 69686. Okay, mao din ni. 69686. Here. Look at guys. Do you remember that I bought this one, only one left, and now she is now two left, and this is a new one? Oh no, there is a pahak. Oh my. Guys, good morning! Lotus Blerina Cebuana Vlogger. Yes guys, for this morning guys, I wanna show you my my old plants here in my backyard. Yes, it's a rainy day. Every night lagi sa umuulan guys, kaya check ko muna sila kung okay ba sila, kung anong kulang sa kanila, wala na soil. Like for example in here, my 686986. I don't know. B. Okay. 69686. Okay, mao din ni. 69686. Here. Look at guys. Do you remember that I bought this one, only one left, and now she is now two left, and this is a new one? Oh no, there is a pahak. Oh my. Oh, there are two guys. Oh, look at the other one. There's a new one left. Okay, here my pink princess. Okay, look at. So, yan kayo siya guys kay. Nadaot yan left. But she's doing good. Okay naman sila dito guys. And here, my I forgot the name of this. Oh my. Okay, look at guys. She have a new petal in here. Oh, look at the new one in here. Yes, I'm so happy. My Monstera, walang pagbabago. Bakit kaya? Bakit matagal pala? I think she's very slow. Look at, ano naman akong pagpalit niyo. Guys, mo naman siya gapon. Okay, here. This is my belly tea. This is my belly tea, the big one. Look at, she's so beautiful. And look, what have you seen? This one is a new petal in here. Have you seen that one, a little one? Okay, here there is a little one guys, and now this is my ataba fancy. Look at my ataba fancy. There is another one, a petal here. So far so good. They are beautiful and stunning. My Monstera. Okay sila dito guys. Okay. The other one guys, I have noticed my philodendron, what kind of philodendron this is? Mayoi? Is this a Mayoi? This is a dark Mayoi. Yes, I have a Mayoi, but she is green, and this one dark siya guys. So it's the Mayoi, the green one guys. Here, this is my green one Mayoi. Have you seen this one? I have a new making a layer. Look at this. Parang mga ano nila guys, ito. Hindi mamamatay yung mga gamot niya. Okay, ginagana ng saka ko ikating siya. and make it a stable when I cut off. Yes. Here, this is my green one. May look at how stem grass, green na green, right? Unlike the other one is a dark one. So, okay. Here, this is my half moon. Half moon. I think Manjula. This is my Manjula. Yes. Parang dili siya hiyang diri guys. Nga akong ibutan si Manjula. I think. Okay. Okay, this is my other side. My philodendron gloriosum. This is a green form. My gloriosum. Here the other side. Look at guys. Forest na forest akong house. May student said, Mama, ang balay ni Teacher Luntis kay forest na mga may student. Okay. And here the other one, my dragon fruit. Look at my dragon fruit. There is a lot of flowers in here, but sad to say, it's a rainy season. That's why only 2 na lang nabuhi. Okay? See? Only 2 na lang nabuhi na flowers then and have a fruit. Hopefully, dili na ni matangtang ang fruit niya. So, I plan to cut this one. Here, the saging-saging. I don't know what kind of, what the name of this saging-saging. Yes. And here, the other side, this is all my philodendron. That's very stunning in here. And kuan siya guys, kanang grabe na, nilabong na siya kaayo. Oh, see? Oh, I wanna show you my Paraiso verde. Have you seen this one? Guys, ang Paraiso verde ko na binili ko, only 2 left na binili ko to kay Sir, what the name of, nakalimutan ko na si Sir Mariano. Yes, si Sir Mariano sa Karkar. Mauni yung atabaga. I'm sorry. Paraiso verde. Then, and now there are 4 left now already. I put in here because there is a light here. Para guwapa kayo siya guys. So far so good. She is good in here and hiyang na siya diri. Then other one, this is my lime fiddle. Yes, of course. I have a lot of lime fiddles guys. That's why I need to cut this and I want to sell of them. Okay, here. Oh, see? With a hasdom. Search lang sa YouTube guys, hasdom. Then, makakita mo yung mga iba-iba nilang mga propa nila doon. Iba-iba, yes. In money, this is one of the few propa na akong gisuon sila. Then, this is my Mayoi. Oh, is it a Mayoi? No. This is not a Mayoi. I forgot na. Hay, yan na talaga. Okay. Mamay. Alam mo guys, si Mamay. Malalaki yung ano niya. Choco Empress, of course. Choco Empress. This is my Choco Empress di Mamay. Look at my Choco Empress, Mamay. You are my inspiration, Mamay. Look at my Choco Empress. She is beautiful like yours, Choco Empress, Mamay. And here, the other one, there is a new one left, my Choco Empress. Mamay, look at this. She is so big na, Mamay. See? Guwapa kayo siya, Mamay. No, looks like yours, Choco Empress, Mamay. And there, the other one. Uh, another Fiddle lime. Guys, there are two Fiddle lime na vining. This one vining and non-vining. This one non-vining siya, guys. Sumpot iyahang kwan. Unlike this one na vining. Vining siya. Madali ko lang makakat. Ito, hirap makakat ng ganitong choco. Non-vining. Yes. And now, guys, look at who is she. She is a what's your name again? Epipremium. Yes, this is Epipremium, not the albo. Yes, this one, the other one, is a albo. Giipon na nako sila diri, guys. But as you can see, the albo, look at guys, so nice guys siya nga po ka albo, guys. White na white, and there is a new one left. Okay. So far so good. She is standing here. Nakat din ako accidentally, guys. That's why inanin siya. See? Dali result kayo siyang tubo, guys. Inigkadako ano niya, guys. It looks like a Monstera. Magaring-garing na siya din, ha. Yes, sir. There is my elbow. Namatay ako. Pero so far, there's a new one left. This is previous Brigata. Yes, the Brigata. Masitas ni Brigata. Okay, I have a lot of majesty. I want to sell this one, guys. If you want my black majesty, I have a lot of black majesty na cutting here. Oh no. Okay, here, look at majesty. Yes. There's another majesty in here. Wait, I plan to ipaklimb na ko siya din, ha, guys, sa coral. And this is my philodendron. No name again. Umyanin na talaga ako. My ring of fire, of course. Hindi ko makakalimutan itong aking ring of fire. This is the cup. Top. Oh, no. This is not a top cup. Yes. And here. Okay. Collocation. And this is my elephant ear nga. Kuan siya, guys. Kanang verigated siya. But yung verigated gamay ra kayo. Wala pa man naabot ako ang kuan good. Mansikot. Okay, here. Yes, another black majesty. Here. I have a lot of cutting of black majesty. Okay. Comment down below if you want to buy my black majesty. Yes, of course. I want to sell some of them. Okay, here other philodendron. This is my philodendron. Look at this theme. She is different, guys. My fellow. She is a. What's your name again? Please talk to me. Okay, I forget again the name. Sorry, God. Ako na gini-write. Butangan ako din sila direct name para ma-remember din ako siya. Na Green Orlando. This is my Green Orlando. If you want to buy my Green Orlando, I have a lot of Green Orlando in here. Okay. Comment down below if you want to buy. I have a lot of Green Orlando. Pili siya, guys. Grabe na iyahang pagkahala. Napay natuwad dari. Oh my. Tuwad-tuwad ka. Okay. Tuwad sa siya. Green Orlando, of course. Other side, that is my cacti. Okay, mga cacti din here, guys. Ipang here, what else? Black majesty again. Then this one, another philodendron. Comment down below or chat me if you want, message me if you want to buy this one. I have a lot of these cuttings. Pwede lang 100 guys, cuttings. Oh my, nabali siya guys. My black majesty. Sayang nabali. Ako ang dami. Katay na siya din ha guys. Here, the other side. This is my philodendron red cardinal. This is the red cardinal. There are 3 babies in here. There is a cutting. I think this is a mother plant na napalitan ko kay Brigata. Masitas ni Brigata. Squamiferum. I'm so sorry, I remember na. This is my squamiferum. Oh, look at guys, it's squami. Squamiferum din. Okay, ako na nasuotan pa din. Ako malimtan every vlog I did. Okay. My gloriosum, of course. Here, the orange. My philodendron, this is a tricolor. This is not a tricolor, guys, but orange na philodendron siya, guys. Look at. Comment down below if you know this kind of plants. Cutting lang to, guys, and now she is so beautiful. 1 year na din ako siya nabay, guys, pag napalitin ako at last pag pandemic. 1 year na din ako. Then see, baby pa ni siya na. Pwede na siyang makat. There is a lot of area. What's na? Okay, here the other side is my post. Akong post, guys. Natumba ni Odette. And now there is a lot of plants in here. Na Monstera na kuan. Saan na siya nga Monstera? Okay, here. Look at my Monstera. Parang na wrong turn ka. Okay, kaya na wrong turn ka. I think I need to cut you. And this is another Monstera. Parang grabe siya. Pero, this is a pero, guys. Ang pero siya, guys. Dili kayo siya. Dili kong buhian ang pero nahadlo ko niya kay wala kay siya gamot, guys. Lisod kayo sa buhian niya. Nagkating-kating ko, wala man siya na nabuhi. Lisod kayo ang pero buhian, guys. Dagan sila diri, guys. There is sa Mayoi. Halo-halo na sila diri. Akong gipakatay. Here what is siya? Green form sa ataba. I know. Paraiso verde, pero green lang siya. Pero dako na siya, guys. See? Naana siya na mo na nagiguba ni Odette. Akong net. Sige lang. Okay lang, Odette. Na ako'y nalimtan rin, guys. This is my na Verigated pa ni siya is strawberry ice. Dili man sa Verigated, I don't know kung Unsay ngalan ani niya nga kadili man sa Verigated. And then I wanna show you the kuan siya guys, another term of my propagation. Look at, but so far so good. She's a new baby na in here. Pwede na siya makat. Okay, makat. Yan na ako install guys. So ano yun ako siya sa Hasdom. Okay, strawberry ice $1 bikin na strawberry. Mas dahil magkuan na siya, mag-verigated na. Okay, here other side, this is my, what's your name again? Sus, mahal kayang verigated ani guys. Hindi lang sila mga verigated. Naku, ikisaaran dito sa Mingla ako yatong balikon. Pwede na siyang cut guys. There is a lot of aerial roots. May melaluni. Look at baby pa kaini siya na ako nakuhaan na. She is so beautiful and big one left na guys. See? Gapa na kaya siya. Big one left na kaya siya. This one nakailam. Oh my, ulianin na talaga ako. Okay, may elephant sale na ako siya guys. May elephant one day kuan minute teacher Cathy mag-join force me sa mga live selling. Okay. This my other cacti, hanging cacti in here. Okay, my philodendron Brazil. That is my Brazil. Look at me kung ano siya guys. Wala na splash. Muna akong gipainit siya kay para magka-splash na siya. My stores looks like skirts. I have Gcases here, princess and lamination. I have a Wi-Fi in here, so guys. And this is my hanging wall. Yeah, this is my hanging wall. Have you seen my hanging wall guys? I think there's stunning here. This is a philodendron na ihas. Kuani siya mga philodendron nga ihas siya guys. Pinangayon ako sa Simala. This is my wall. I use this one AC2 in this school. Look at there is a lot of cacti in here. I have cacti. See? See? Yes guys, halo-halo lang sila dito guys. And here guys, this is the orange. I don't know a jack saan siya ngalangalan lamig kini siya yung mga juice guys. Okay, my dragon fruit. This is my hanging wall looks like. See? Okay, here other side. Ano na siya guys. I have a soft drinks, anything. Okay, here front of my store, this is a barley. There's a barley. Here other side, look at a lot of barley in here. In my wall. There's a bottle in here. Kung ako patimbang ako mga bottle guys, no, magkapera baka ako. Okay, here the cacti. Mas prefer ang cactus na ako diri guys kaysa mga putos. Kaya kung putos malasa yun kung wala na siya tubig. I have one mycan in here. Yes, a mycan. My stunning burly marks. Look at. See? Okay. My money tree, of course. See? Money tree. Okay, this is the way I watered my hanging plants. Ano siya guys, sometimes madugay ko o kuha mga lata sila. Kailangan siya one day lang. Then after, ako na siyang i-pull out. Okay, later on I will pull out that one. This is here. Big one na. Wapa na kayo siya there guys. Okay. Kabuba. This is a kabuba. Okay. Yes. Another one. Wapa na siya guys. See? Hindi pa yung gumagwapa kaya sila dariya guys na. Here. Choco. That is a Choco I think. There. This one kay kuha ni siya guys see. Kaya na siya printed dariya ba nga another name of philodendron. Pink painted lady, I think that's a painted lady. Okay, so far so good. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you guys. Okay, my Hoya. This is my Hoya.